I realized today I will reproduce this eye on the other eye. Let's get it. After prepping my eye, I will use my darkest color, which is Clued from the Colourpop's Blue Moon palette. Let's get closer. Let's get personal. With that shade, I will form a round shape at my crease and a bit above. After that, with a clean brush, I will blend the color upward. To blend even further with another fluffy brush, I will apply Kiss My Ass from Just My Luck palette from the same company. To bring back the intensity, I will apply Clued again. I will blend it again with the same brush I used earlier. Then kiss my ass again. Now I'm placing more of Clued in the inner and outer corner. I will do the same with Kiss My Ass. Then I take Clued again to blend.
Why? Again and again, again and again.
Time for some shimmer. I will apply Blue Moon's shade Lumi in the middle. I'm blending the sides with Kiss My Ass. putting more Lumi in the middle again. Then kiss my eyes again. I will do my under eye now, so I'm applying some eyeshadow base, then blending it out. I'm starting with clothing for the inner and outer corner. Then with Kiss My Ass, I will blend around it. And I'm finishing it with Lumi in the center. This is cute. Just a moment, please. I'm placing a green liquid glitter in the inner corner for a pop and to match my nails. Me like it. The look is done. See you at the end result. There you have it, a beautiful icy greenish look. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe with the notification so you won't miss out the look. See you next time.